హాయ్ అండి, అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ వేణుగోపాల్ రెడ్డి ఫ్రమ్ జోష్ ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్, జోష్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ ఫారెన్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ మరియు ఎడినైన్ కెరీర్ గైడెన్స్ సంయుక్తంగా విద్యార్థుల కోసం అనేటువంటి అనేక వీడియోస్ మనం చేస్తున్నాం. ఇందులో భాగంగా ఈరోజు మనము పైలట్ గజేందర్ షా సార్ తోటే ఉన్నాం. సార్ వచ్చేసి స్టార్ ఎయిర్లో పైలట్ అన్నట్టు. అయితే ఇప్పుడు మనం ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో కూడా మొత్తం ఎయిర్ ఇండియా మన ఇండిగో క్యాడెట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం. ఇంకొన్ని మిస్లీనియస్ డౌట్స్ అయితే రకరకాల డౌట్స్ నన్ను పేరెంట్స్ అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు. వాటన్నిటికి కూడా సార్ని అడిగి తన మాటల్లో సొల్యూషన్ తెలుసుకుందాం. నమస్కారం సార్.
नमस्कार सर, नमस्कार
सर एक्चुअली तो हम लोग पिछले वीडियो में वी हैव डन अबाउट इंडिगो कैडेट प्रोग्राम. What are the other cadet programs available across India, sir?
Across India, worldwide, there are lots of cadet programs like Qatar cadet programs, Emirates cadet programs, and Saudi Arabia cadet programs. So different airline have a different cadet programs outside India as well. But the only problem is this: some countries like India, some countries have their own citizenships cadet program, like other outsiders can't apply, and some others they can apply, but then our competition is all over the world. Because suppose Emirates is coming up with the vacancies for the cadet, so Indian citizen applying, and rest all other countries students are also applying for this. Competition is really difficult.
Okay, Emirates is offering for international people
Yes,
cadet program.
correct. Yeah,
Okay, how much they are charging, sir?
around 2 crore 60 lakh approx.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still, even though people are approaching him,
It's all over the world, so
so there is no.
maybe from India 2-3 people are applying, US lots of people are applying, Australia, New Zealand, in fact in UAE, Dubai people are applying. They have enough money.
Okay, Qatar also they are also accepting
Qatar
international
also,
cadets.
Yeah, Saudi Arab, Qatar, everywhere.
They are also up to around 2 crores aspas.
Approx 2, more than 2 crore. That
More
for
than
sure.
2 crore.
Yeah, that for sure.
Okay, sir. Okay, within India, sir, other than Indigo, what are the other programs available?
Cadet programs is not available apart of this Air India, Indigo, and the Spice. Now, like other thing is conventional students can do the conventional CPL.
SpiceJet मतलब उसका कैसे रास्ता है सर, वो कैसे कर रहा है?
Same criteria will be the same. Like you have to appear for the written examinations, then group discussions, interview, and then you will get selected for the Spice
Okay.
program.
So here, suppose one person enter into SpiceJet and another boy enter into Indigo. Does really matters at any point of time, sir? This one, in terms of placement, in terms of profiling.
Yeah, there is a difference in the placement because like SpiceJet have less aircraft.
Okay.
So if you're choosing SpiceJet, maybe you're waiting, definitely you'll get a job, but maybe your waiting period can be a 6 month, 5 month, 10 months.
Okay.
And just on the other hand, Indigo have lots of aircrafts and lots of job opportunities.
Okay.
So their waiting period are very less, and sometimes so there is no waiting period. Like after completing the CPL, just you get the CPL in your hand, complete your multi-rating and complete your type rating, get the job done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, a boy became a pilot. I mean, like he got the CPL holder. He became a CPL holder. So, does his education matters at any point of time, sir? Only he's a +2 guy. Suppose if he can complete parallelly BBA aviation or BTech, does really matters to him at any point of time?
If you are looking for the pilot career ahead, so there is no use of doing the graduation.
Okay.
Yeah, because 12th base, I know lots of captains, and as we were talking earlier, like TRE, TRID, we are just class 10th, 12th only.
Okay.
But at the point of like higher management, like as I was discussing, once you become the senior captain, now you are coming to the management. So for coming in the management, at least you should have some higher
graduation.
degrees.
Okay.
So that I recommend to all my candidates that you should do the graduation.
Okay, sir. Like DGCA is giving 1,000 licenses per annum, but industry sometimes it can absorb only 400-500 candidates. So, what will be the future of this rest of the 500 people, sir? What are the different alternatives to, I mean, like to engage the time up to the wait? I mean, up to they have to wait for 1 or 2 years, something like that, in difficult situations. So, what are the opportunities for this particular guy?
That's true. As in all the fields, all the sectors, like everybody is not like getting their job. Okay, few of them, like maybe some 50% getting the job, 20% getting the job. Others who are not getting the job, they have a, yes, definitely they have a different branches in the CPL also. Like they can continue career with the ground instructor if she or he has a good knowledge of the CPL subjects. She can continue with the ground subjects. He can become the ground simulator instructor. Like during the period of 200 hours, you have to do 20 simulator hours also. So you can become the simulator instructor also because there is no requirement for the CPL in that.
ఓకే.
Yeah, so opportunity in that. Apart of this, ground instructor is the only things because you have a CPL knowledge. So
No, that is okay, sir. Like that many jobs really ground instructor का requirement high क्या sir really?
ground instructor requirement, yeah, because the thing is this, as I told you, each flying club have their own ground instructor. Now to like a scenario, two ground instructors are there in one flying club, and that should be a DEC approved. So that's the requirement. Acha, apart of the, if students are fit to fly, so they can apply for the chartered also. It's not all about the commercial. Pilot is not all about the commercial. They can apply for the chartered, they can apply for the air ambulance, they can apply for the non-scheduled airline.
Okay.
So there are number of ways also.
Okay.
Yeah, so he or she can apply the jobs in other branches.
ओके. पूरा इंडिगो का मामला चल रहा है अभी तो पूरा.
कैडेट का सर अभी क्या है ना कि अभी आज के डेट में देखो सबके पास पैसा है जो कि दे आर रेडी टू गिव देयर sons or daughters education ना, because normal CPL if you are doing that cost nearby 55 to 60 जो you are talking, and इसमें डबल लगता है, but there is job assurity.
बट देर इज ए प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ, मतलब अभी तो एग्जाम्स देखने से नेविगेशन पास करना बहुत मुश्किल दिख रहा है सर.
नहीं सर, मैं आपको वही बता रहा हूँ, उस टाइम भी आपने पूछा था ये चीज़, इतना मुश्किल नहीं है.
हाँ.
अगर बच्चा पढ़ने, मेरे पास तो ऐसे भी कैंडिडेट्स हैं विद इन अ 2 months में दे क्लियर द 3 एग्जाम, ऑल 3 एग्जामिनेशंस 1 शॉट में.
ओके.
ऐसे भी, और मेरे पास ऐसे भी हैं जो नेविगेशन जिनका 7 अटेम्प्ट हो गया अभी तक निकल ही नहीं पा रहा है. 2 years हो गया नेविगेशन, हाँ 2 years हो गया नेविगेशन ही दे रहे हैं अभी तक.
हाँ.
तो both sides are there.
ओके.
तो भी है.
सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द इंडिविजुअल स्टूडेंट कैलिबर.
करेक्ट.
सो इंडिया में रामपाल चौक से अलावा और कुछ ऐसा हब है सर?
सर रामफल चौक, द्वारका सेक्टर 7 is a pilot hub for the Delhi. Similar, there's a few places in Mumbai, in Chennai also.
Can you tell me the name, any area?
I don't remember the name exactly, but there are few academies
Okay.
are there, yeah.
But actually many Bangalore people are coming, but there are no exact training centers or academies in Bangalore. There is a...
No, Bangalore have, but you can compare like this much, like city is very big, Bangalore, but there is only 2-3 flying ground there. And one more important thing, like people are from Bangalore, Mumbai, if they are studying completely the class 12 there, now students want to go outside. If they are getting the opportunity in Bangalore also, they don't want to continue ground classes there.
Okay.
They don't want to go outside, they want to
Explore.
exposure. So they want to go
So
outside.
सब आगे रामपाल बाग में घुस
So
जाते हैं.
that's why na, there are lots of people at the Ramphal Chowk.
हाँ.
It's completely up. If you calculate na, like small, big, सब मिला के registered, unregistered, normal, more than 40 academies are there in the 2 kilometer of radius.
Okay.
Yeah.
सो एक्चुअली तो ये साउथ अफ्रीका का मतलब जो एजेंट है ना सर, मतलब उसका क्लैरिटी कोई मतलब किसके पास कौन सा एफटीओ है, ये तो बिल्कुल.
साउथ अफ्रीका भी बहुत वो चल रहा है, मैं इसलिए आपको मैंने अभी बताया ना, वही मैंने तो छोड़ दिया. अपने पास वैसे ही इतना टेंशन है, फिर नहीं लेना और अभी वहाँ साउथ अफ्रीका का, तो इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई आई ब्रेक. मैंने साउथ अफ्रीका भी भेजा है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी भेजा है, न्यूजीलैंड भी भेजा है, कनाडा भी भेजा है, और स्टार्टिंग में फिलीपींस भी भेजा था मैंने. सारा कुछ मैंने क्लोज करके आई जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ओनली ऑन यूएस. हाँ.
Okay.
तो न्यूजीलैंड और ऑस्ट्रेलिया का तो ये है कि वहाँ का आपका फीस ही ज़्यादा है, आपका सीपीएल कॉस्ट करने का 75 to 80 लाख पहुँच जाता है. वो काम यहाँ पे करो ना यार, 60 लाख में हो रहा है, 65 लाख में यू आर सेविंग 15 लाख रुपीज विच यू कैन इन्वेस्ट फॉर योर टाइप रेटिंग.
ओके.
बाद में
नहीं, यू आर टेलिंग ओनली 56 ना सर इन यूएसए.
मोर टू मोर 60 टच अगर हो रहा
Okay,
है, चलो
अगर
65 भी हो रहा है ऑन द अदर साइड, ऑन द हायर साइड
हायर साइड
65 हो रहा है, तो न्यूजीलैंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया में इट विल गोज अप टू 80.
व्हाई पीपल आर प्रेफरिंग देम नाउ देन?
दे हैव मनी, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस.
ओके. ऐसा पैसा है जा रहा.
हाँ, पैसा है, और थोड़ा सा कंट्री अच्छा है, वो ठंडी कंट्री, अच्छी कंट्री है, तो दे वांट टू गो देयर.
फ्लोरिडा इज आल्सो गुड.
फ्लोरिडा इज गुड, वहाँ पे गर्मी भी है, बट न्यूजीलैंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया में तो गर्मी है ही नहीं. बहुत कम, बहुत कम. तो वो चीज़ है, छोटी कंट्री है एज कम्पेयर टू फ्लोरिडा, ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस, सब कुछ अच्छा है वहाँ पे देखने में, तो थोड़ा सा वही है एक्सपोजर.
సో ఇదండి మన గజేందర్ షా సార్తో కూడుకున్నటువంటి ఈరోజు ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఏదైతే ఉందో, మ్యాక్సిమం వీ కవర్డ్ ఆల్ ద డౌట్స్ ఫర్ ది సిపిఎల్ హోల్డర్స్, దీనికి సంబంధించినటువంటిది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైతే ఇండిగోకి వెళ్ళదలుచుకున్నారో, మన దగ్గర అయితే ఇది ట్రైనింగ్ వచ్చేసి 2.5 months 3 months అవుతుంది. సో దీనికి మనం కాస్ట్ అంతా కూడా మీరు ఒకసారి వచ్చి మీరు ఒకసారి మెడికల్ టెస్టులు పూర్తయిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు మాత్రమే దీనికి అప్రోచ్ అయితే బాగుంటుంది. సో మీకు ఇంకేదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నట్లయితే ఖచ్చితంగా స్క్రోలింగ్లో ఉన్నటువంటి నెంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. జై హింద్.